Hello guys, today I will show you how to get the EA Sports College Football 25 redeem code for free. First of all, you have to visit downbat.com, downbat.com. After visiting this website, you can find this article. If you cannot find it, you can see the search box at the right side of the website, and there you can type the game name and click the search button. Okay, here you can see it. Open it. Okay, here you can see the detailed article on it. Okay, there you can see a download button. Click on that. After clicking it, it will open the online coach generator. Okay, we will come to that. Okay, let's see the article. Okay, this is the article. Okay, now let's see the online coach generator. This is the online coach generator. We can select any platform here. It will take some time to generate the code. So have to visit downbat.com to download your ES Sports College Football 25 reading code. So thanks for watching guys.